Hey, Eric Phipps here for Works Connection. Today we're going to go over the top 5 tips to help with the install of your Pro Launch Start device. First tip, most important tip, is to always use OEM fork guards. Our kits were mated to OEM fork guards and they're much better plastic than aftermarket in most cases. So always use OEM fork guards. Step 2 would be to trim away the decal if you're using a decal on your fork guard. You always want the body to sit directly down on the plastic. And you can do this by mounting the body and using an X-Acto knife to trim the decal around. Third step would be to make sure that your screws are countersunk so that they're nice and flush. I test mine. You can do a test fit. You can bolt it on and use the fork ring to make sure that you have daylight between the ring and the screw so it's not hitting. Ideally, you want to have about a 1/16 of an inch daylight. Fourth tip would be to always use blue Loctite on the screws. Just a simple single drop on each screw is more than enough to keep it locked in place. And the final step, once this fork guard is installed back on your bike and your fork ring is on your fork, is to put it down or be able to pull down the front end, either putting it in a truck using tie downs so that you can actually compress it enough to line it up to make sure that your alignment is perfect. And those are the top 5 steps for helping with your install. If you have any questions, you can always reach us at info@worksconnection.com. That was your top 5 tips for installing a Pro Launch Start devices. Oops. Devices? Just devices. Hey guys. Oh. That was our top 5 tips. No blooper reel. This is a lot of pressure.